From islands and cities to forests and heron plantations, there is one animal that thrives in them all.
The water monitor lizard is one of the largest lizards in the world. These beasts can grow to 1.5 meters in length. They can eat almost anything and live almost anywhere. In the jungle, plantations, villages, cities, islands, everywhere. Monitor lizards truly are masters of survival.
Studying these animals is DGFC's Dr Sergio, and today we're going to be laying traps filled with stinky chicken guts, all in the name of science.
My name is Sergio Guerrero Sanchez. I'm from Mexico. I am a veterinarian. I am studying the ecology of monitor lizards as part of my PhD with Cardiff University. My personal interest of monitor lizards is they look like dragons. I love dragons. When I start to read about them, and all travelers came here saying that the dragons live in the Southeast Asia, and it was because of the monitor lizards and Komodo dragons. Well, like, okay, maybe I found a place where dragons live, and I would like to do something with that. They are generalists. They live everywhere, eat everywhere. They are flexible to survive in any kind of environment. They are not restricted to a specific kind of forest or a specific kind of habitat. So in this fragmented landscape, they could be a good model to assess the health of the ecosystem by assessing the health of the populations of lizards.
To set up our traps, we're headed over the river from DGFC to a palm oil plantation. Studying animals in this environment is crucial in understanding how changing landscapes can affect species.
Sergio, that absolutely stinks. I can almost taste it. It smells so bad. Why is it that monitor lizards, they can eat things that are decaying, that are going off?
They are resistant to many kind of bacteria that are part of the decomposition of the food.
They're double hard, aren't they, monitor lizards? They can live anywhere, they can eat anything.
Yeah.
Pretty resilient animals. I can't say I'm too disappointed about leaving this trap now, because it stinks.
With traps all over the plantation, Sergio hopes to catch a lizard weighing at least 15 kilos to satellite tag and help reveal the mysteries of these monitors' movements. This is a satellite tag. Once attached to an animal, the scientists can follow its movements over a long period of time. Using an antenna, the scientists can find the animal again. The tagging can reveal territory sizes, preferred habitats, feeding habitats, and much more. Later that afternoon, we went back to check the traps. Would we get lucky the first day? No.
Day 2, and hopefully we're going to have a little bit more luck today.
It looked like luck wasn't on our side. All traps empty again.
Is this part of the job then, so dealing with these disappointments?
Absolutely. You cannot. They don't have cell phones to call them. Okay, bite is there, go there. So nah, we have to wait. We have to be patient.
So how do you keep yourself optimistic?
I love working in the forest, and these walks in the forest or plantations, I just enjoy them. I mean, see the birds or other animals that you don't expect to see. This always keeps me optimistic, but mainly inspired to keep working.
With forest on one side of the river and palm oil on the other, DGFC and its scientists are perfectly positioned to study land use change. Palm oil is important for the Malaysian economy. Understanding its impact on wildlife is critical for the future. It is studies like Sergio's that can provide crucial data on the effect it has on wildlife and can make a real difference in improving future policy. Riding the wave of Sergio's optimism and determination, we headed out the next day to check the traps in the other habitat of Sergio's study. With DGFC nestled in the forest, it was on our own front door next to the lake that we finally got our break.
The door is closed, so...
There's definitely something moving.
Yeah, there is something inside this... the trap is shaking.
You think it's definitely a lizard?
Yeah, it is a lizard.
We got a lizard. Nice work, Sergio. Oh, what was that, Sergio? Did it just rob it?
It's the chicken guts. Get it.
I noticed it vomited everywhere earlier. Why did they do that?
They vomit. They are lighter. They can run faster if they need to run. I need you to stand up with me and the lizard, okay? Tiger.
Hi, you gotta be pretty strong. Wow. How much?
So it's 12 kilos.
At 12 kilos, this lizard is not quite big enough for us to tag.
So the next step is take all the measurements.
All right, so...
And then we take the samples. So I just need to take a piece of a scale to tell the sex of the lizard.
That's amazing that you can tell the sex from a little piece of its scales. Sergio, because you're a vet, does that mean that you can do everything yourself?
Well, I can take samples. I can monitor the health status of the animal. And I have learned how to catch them, how to tie them. But I cannot do all by myself. So I always need people behind me.
It's a team effort then as well.
Always.
Yeah.
Always. Okay, saliva is the last thing, so we are done. You want to help me?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, I need to untie the...
With all the tests complete, it's time to release this lizard back into the wild. After 2 days of searching, the team have succeeded. The scientists of DGFC provide vital insights into the impacts humans are having on the environment. As for Sergio, his invaluable research is helping safeguard one of Borneo's most adaptable animals.